lovely viewers, welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your presenter Jeff Nino, and today we shall be looking at how we can integrate problems under definite integral. Okay, under definite what? Integral. Now, first of all, when you hear the word definite integral, what comes to your mind? Now, these are integral with limits, all right? They are integral with limits. So how do you solve problems on integral that involve limits? So this is what you will be learning in this video. So sit back, get ready to learn something new today. Now, if you know this is the first time joining us on our channel, please, you are welcome. And we are welcome to the family. There's one thing you should do for you to keep up with the good work. You need to subscribe to our channel, and then you also need to share our videos. It is only when you share our videos that your friends, your friends, and so on and so forth, we get to meet us as a family. So till we meet again, let us see what we can do in solving these two problems under definite integral. Now, question number one says integrate 6x minus 5 dx. 6x minus 5 dx with limits 3 and 1. Now, how do we solve problem like this? It is very, very simple. It is just like a continuation from indefinite integral. A continuation. Now, let us see what we can do to solve this problem. Now, the first thing we do is that we will write a line, okay? And this is our 3, and this is our 1. Now, we integrate the function, which is 6x minus 5. Now, if we integrate 6x, we are going to get 6x raised to the power 2 over 2. Don't forget, because the power here is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus, if we should integrate 5, we will get 5x. Now, there is no plus k here. There is no plus k here. You only add plus k if you are solving problems on indefinite integral. Okay, so now let us proceed. Now, if 2 cancels 6, we're going to have 3. So here becomes 3, 1. Okay, so here becomes 3x raised to the power 2 minus 5x. All right. Now, at this point, this is what you do. You see where x equal to the first limit I have here is 3. All right. When you are done integrating now, we have to make use of the limits. Now, when x is 3, it means anywhere I see x here, I will give 3. So it becomes 3 into the bracket of x is 3 raised to the power 2 minus 5 bracket 3. Okay, so substitute 3 for x. Now, 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So I have 3 bracket 9 minus 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so let's continue. Here becomes 3 times 9 is 27 minus 15. And 27 minus 15 will give us 12. So it means if we should use the limit of 3 to solve, the value we will get is 12. Now, we are not done because we have another limit to make use of. And the other limit is 1. So here it becomes when x equals to 1. Now, when x equals to 1, we come back again here. Anywhere we see x, we give 1. So here becomes 3 into bracket 1 raised to the power 2 minus 5 bracket 1. Okay. Now, without wasting time, 1 raised to the power 2 is what? 1 times 1, 1. So here becomes 3 into bracket of 1 minus 5 times 1 is 5. Now, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 5. And 3 minus 5 will give us minus 2. Now, when we use limit 3, we got 12. And when we use limit 1, we got minus 2. Now, when you have gotten the true answer, this is what you do. You subtract limit 1 from limit 3. So, limit 3 was what? 12. Therefore, 12 minus limit 1 was minus 2. So we're going to subtract them. Now, I have two negative signs. Minus times minus is plus. So here becomes 12 plus 2. And 12 plus 2 class will give us what? 14. So this is the answer to the question number 1. It is as simple as this. First, integrate, and when you are done integrating, make use of the limit. And when you have gotten your answers for your limit, subtract the answers. That is it. Okay, now let us go to question number 2. Now, question number 2 says, integrate, we have 3, and we have minus 2 into 3x plus 4 dx. Alright, now we are told to integrate this as question number 2. Now, the same thing applies again. My power here is 1. First, you will integrate. So it becomes a straight line. I have 3, I have minus 2. Now, if I integrate 3x, I will get 3x raised to the power 2 over 2. Plus, if I should integrate 4, I will get 4x. Okay, now at this point, what do? Here becomes, there is no way 2 can divide 3, so we leave it like this. So we will not make use of the limits. I will write when x is 3, my first limit. So it means anywhere I see x here, I will give 3. So here becomes 3 into bracket 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 bracket 3 here over 2. Now 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So I have 3 bracket 9 over 2 plus 12. How did I get 12? 4 times 3 is 12. Now 3 times 9 is 27, so I have 27 over 2, okay, plus 12. Now, it is wrong to say 27 plus 12, it is wrong. So the first thing we're going to do is to base 12 over 1 and look for the LCM. Now, the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, okay. So if the LCM is 2, what does that mean? How many times will 2 go into 2? 1 times. 1 times 27 will give us 27. Plus, now 1 will go into 2 times. 2 times 12 gives us 24. So now, 27 plus 24 will give us 51. So here becomes 51 over 2. So it means if we use limit 3, the value we will get is 51 over 2. Now the next value we are using now is limit minus 2, which is the second limit. So I will write when x is minus 2. So I will come back here again. Anywhere I see, what is it called? X, I will give minus 2. So it becomes 3 into the bracket of now x is minus 2 raised to the power 2 over 2 plus 4 into the bracket of minus 2. Are we there? Now, minus 2 raised to the power 2 means minus 2 times minus 2. And minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. So here becomes 3 into bracket 4 over 2. Now, plus times minus in the bracket gives us minus. And 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now, let us continue. 3 times 4 will give us 12 over 2 minus 8. Now, it is possible for 2 to cancel 12 because 2 is a factor of 12. Now, 12 divided by 2 gives us 6 minus 8. And 6 minus 8 gives us what? Minus 2. So it means if we use limit minus 2, we will get minus 2. So now that we have gotten the 2 answers, what do? We subtract. Therefore, the first answer we got was 51 over 2 minus, the second answer we got is minus 2. Are we there? Now, minus times minus will give us plus, so here becomes 51 over 2 plus 2. Now, base this 2 over 1 and look for the LCM. Now, the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Now, 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 51 gives us 51. Plus 1 into 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. So, if we add 51 plus 4, our answer becomes 55 over 2. So this becomes the answer to question number 2. So class, I believe you can see how simple it can be when you solve integrals involving limits. So we have come to the end of today's class, and I believe you have learned something new today. If this is the first time of joining us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share our videos so that other persons can see them to watch. Till we meet again in our next class, thank you for watching, and bye for now.